So, this is our new improved drum, nest drum. So, as you can see, it has a division inside. Yeah. And then, 2 access entry. And then, pwede rin siyang i-check dito. If you're going to get the egg, harvest, check, candle, pwede yun. So yan, dalawa ang butas. So the idea is, kasi namatayan na kami ng breeder ng umbrella kakatu. Kasi when the umbrella kakatus are nesting, incubating, sometimes yung male gusto pa rin niyang i-mate yung female, ayaw na ng female kasi nesting na siya, diba? So ang mangyayari, aggressive yung male, papasok. Kung isa lang yung hole, wala nang choice yung yung female. Hindi yan sa makakalabas since nandun yung male. Isang entry lang, nako-corner na siya. With this system, pagpasok ng male, alam naman kasi ng female pag aggressive or not the male. So, hanggang dito lang yan. So, ship lang siya, dito lalabas siya. So based on experience to, actually this is widely used abroad, pero here in the Philippines medyo hindi pa, kasi it's maselan gawin, medyo komplikado. Actually ayaw nga ng matero ko, but you have to pay a good price for the production of this. This will go to a client somewhere, order nila 30 pieces of this. So this is a double hole nest drum for big birds. Pwede rin sa Indian ringneck, pero medyo pricey na for Indian ringneck. Okay, thank you.